Good evening, everybody, and once again, welcome back to the channel. I was reading about the publish audit merge workflow in Apache Iceberg, and while I was learning, I thought it would be also a good idea to teach you guys through a small video so that I can understand the concepts better. So in this video, we are gonna do a very simple hands-on exercise on the publish audit merge workflow in Apache Iceberg, which basically leverages the concepts of creating branches in Iceberg and then merging it. So let's take a look at the scenario. In case if you're interested, I do have the entire exercise and blogs. You can check it out. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna read this out and then we're gonna do this lab. Okay. Imagine you're a part of a marketing team at a digital marketing agency. Your team is frequently, updating campaigns data, including campaign statuses, budgets, and targeted demographics. To ensure that only validated changes are published, you can implement a publish audit merge workflow with Iceberg table. This setup allows you to test and validate new campaign changes in a safe environment before merging them into the production environment. So in this simple lab, so first we're gonna create a Spark session over here, and you can change the path over here, right? This is the path to the warehouse. You can point to desktop or any other directory. Now that I have the Spark session, I'm gonna create a table called marketing campaign with these columns in it. It has a campaign ID, campaign name, status, budget, and targeted demographics. So I'm gonna create this table. I will insert three items into this table. Again, simple, right? Just keeping it very simple to understand, right? Cool, right? Now, what we are gonna do is we're gonna create a new branch, and in Iceberg, you could do that by the word alter table, catalog name, database name, dot table name. I use the word create branch if not exist, and we are calling this branch an audit branch. So basically, it means in simple language, I'm gonna write data to this branch, and after reviewing and seeing all the changes, I'll commit it to the main branch, right? Just like GitHub, right? We'll do that. And then if you observe now, I am this new record number 4. I am inserting that into the audit branch. Okay. I'm not inserting into the main branch, right? So if you observe insert into catalog database name dot table name, excuse me, dot branch name, and then the values. I have the value 4. I'm gonna insert that. Great. And now this one, I'm gonna basically see the all the branches that I have by calling dot refs, right? And then I'm basically seeing what do I have in the audit branch, right? And basically what data is there over here. So if you observe, I have two branches, right? Main and audit branch, right? And then if you observe the audit branch, you will see that record number 4, as you can see here, right? And this is the main branch, right? Before merge. So you can see in the main branch, I have record 1, 2, and 3. 4 is not there, right? So now basically you have reviewed the changes, and now you can merge that safely into the main branch, right? I'm using this command merge into, and as you can see, I am merging into the main branch from the audit branch, right? On campaign ID. If it matches, well, just update everything. If it doesn't match, just insert everything, right? So I do that, execute it successfully, right? And now then I verify the changes, right? As you can see over here. So I'm gonna say, select everything from that particular table dot ref, meaning I'm gonna see all the branches. And then I'm gonna, if the branch exists, I'm gonna drop it because I've already merged my changes, right? So now I'm deleting that branch. So I do that. Here you can see I had two branch, then I deleted it, and then again did like dot ref, and that branch has been deleted. Now we can query the main table, of course, and you can see that fourth record was able to make it into the main branch. So simple language, okay, in very simple words. You have your main branch, you create an audit branch, okay, audit branch. You keep writing, keep writing. Once you think that, okay, this is fine, you just merge it, right? And then you drop the branch and then you keep continuing, right? So basically, very nice approach, that you can adopt. So that's all. I was reading about it. I was learning during my free time, learning about audit, publish, merge approach. And I hope you have enjoyed. There is this exercise lab on my, I believe on my blog, and There's a blog also on my LinkedIn which covers the theory part. So in case if you need to read more, please refer to the resources. That's all I have for the video. Keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.